Okay, let's wait for 2 more minutes and then we will start the session. Okay. So in the last class, what we have done data interpretation part 1 and part 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will do pie charts and line charts. So we have completed, which one we completed? We completed tables and bar graph, right? We have done questions on tables also and bar also. And today we will do pie chart and line. Okay. Okay, everyone, please see the data carefully. Note down the data.
Ma'am, today also data interpretation?
Sorry?
Ma'am, today also data interpretation?
Yes, this is also data interpretation. So in the last class, we did tables and bar graph. Today we will do pie and line.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay, everyone, please note down the data. Please take the screenshot of this so that when we solve question, you have data in front of you. Okay, let's read the question. The following pie chart shows the percentage distribution of expenditure incurred in a publishing book. Okay, so when you publish a book, you have various kind of expenditures. So this is given to you. That binding cost is 20%, paper cost is 25%, transportation cost of book is 10%, printing cost is 20%, royalties 15%, and promotion cost is 10%. Okay, so these are the various expenses when you do a publishing a book. All right, so now on basis of this data we will solve questions. Okay. Question number 1. Okay, what is given to you? Okay, so these are percentage given to you. You don't know the total cost. Now, based on each individual questions, we will solve. So for a certain quantity of book, the publisher has to pay 30,600 as the printing cost. Okay. Now I know printing cost is how much? 20%. Okay. So 20% is printing cost. And they have given you 30,600. So it means whatever be the total amount, we don't know how much total money is spent. Okay, but I know 20% of that total amount is 30,000, right? So can I find total amount from here? What will be the total amount? T is equals to 20% is nothing but 1 by 5, right? So T is equals to 30,600 into 5. This will be your total. Correct? Calculate it. So if I calculate 30,600 into 5, I will get 1,53,000, right? 1,53,000. Okay, this is the total cost, right? Total cost. Now read the question. What will be the amount of royalty paid? Okay, now let's go back to our pie chart and see what is the royalty. Royalty is actually 15%. So it means we have to calculate 15% of the total, correct? Of this. So 15 upon 100 into 1,53,000. So 0000 cancelled. And now you have to multiply 15 into 50. Okay, do the calculation. Yes, correct answer is option C. Yes, correct answer is option C. So pretty easy, right? There's nothing difficult in it. Okay, let's see next question. Okay, question number 2. What is the central angle of sector corresponding to the expenditure on royalty? Okay, so we know how much is the royalty. Royalty is 15%. Okay, this is 15%. Basically, we need to convert 15% in degree, correct? In angle. Okay. Now, before solving this question, you need to understand that one complete circle is how many degree? Anybody know? One complete circle is how many degree? Yes, correct. Everyone correct. 360 degree, right?
360 degrees.
Yes, 360 degree. And also I know that this one complete circle means 100% also. Because if I write breakup of expenditure, it will be total 100%, correct? So it means, can I say that 360 degree is equals to 100%, right? Therefore, 1 degree will be how much? 100 by 360%, correct? 360 degree is equals to 100%. 1 degree will be 100 by 360%. And therefore, 15% will be how much? Can you calculate 15%? Or better way to write it in the reverse way. Wait, let me write it. So 100% is 360 degree. 1% is 360 by 100 degree. Therefore, 15% will be 360 by 100 into 15. This will also be in degree. So just do the calculation. 360 into 15 by 100. So what is the answer coming out? Everyone check your answer. Yes, Pranita, correct. Abhi, your answer is correct. Elisa, your answer is not correct. Hari Krishna, your answer is correct. Yes, rest everyone is giving me the correct answer. Yes, Shri. Yes, Yeshi. So answer is 54 degree. So this basic conversion, you should understand that from degree to percentage you need to do. So degree to percentage will be how? This one, 100 by 360. And from percentage to degree, how will you do? 360 by 100. Right? So basic calculation, right? So one complete circle is 360 degree as well as 100%. You just have to equate these two things. That's what we have done, equating. Okay, here is the data. Those who are joining late, please note down the data. Done, everyone? Please note down the data, everyone. Okay, moving to the next question, question number 3. Okay, now you have to read the question carefully. Read the question carefully, you will get the answer. Read the question carefully. The price of the book is marked 20% above the cost price. So let's say whatever the cost price is, let's say cost price is 100. So 20% above means 120. Okay. If the marked price of the book is 180, okay, what is the cost price of the paper used in a single copy of the book? Okay, so whenever you make a product, let's say you made anything, okay, any one box, let's say one box I'm talking about, okay, so let's say you made it for 100 rupees, but in market you will sell it for slightly more in order to gain profit, right? So the price at which you get the product or you manufacture the product is called cost price, and the price at which you sell is called selling price, right? So they are saying the cost price, whatever with the cost price, let's say cost price was X. So mark price was how much? 20% more. So X plus 20% of that X, right? Okay. So the mark price is 20% more means 120%. Okay. So let's say, first of all, this is given to me. What is the mark price? 180. It means this value is given to me. X plus 20% of X is equals to 180. Right? This is the mark price. Calculate value of X. X plus 20% means how much? 1 by 5. X is equals to 180. LCM 5. 5 plus 1, 6x is equals to 180. X is equals to 180 into 5 by 6. Calculate it. X is equals to 150. So basically, the price of the book, manufacturing the book is 150, selling at 180. Okay, no problem. Now read the question. What is the question saying? The question is saying, what is the cost of paper? Okay, now let's go back to the pie chart. Paper cost. Paper cost is how much? 25%. It means we have to calculate 25% of 150. 25% of 150. So 25% is how much? 1 by 4 into 150. Calculate it. 1 by 4. Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. Perfect. Answer is option B. Yes, answer is option B. Got it? So did you get the logic between cost price and selling price? In order to gain profit, any shopkeeper will keep the price slightly more than the cost price, right? Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, let's read the question very carefully. First, read the question. Okay, let's read the question. If 5,500 copies are published, so how many copies books are publishing? 5,500. And the transportation cost on them amount to 82,500. Okay, 82,500. So first of all, can we find the transportation cost of one book? Can we find transportation cost of one book? Find transportation cost of one book. So 82,500 divided by 5,550. So this will give me transportation cost of one book. Calculate it and tell me what will be the value. $15, right? So it means a person is spending 15 rupees. Yes, 15 rupees for the transportation. Perfect. Now let's read the question. Then what should be the selling price of the book so that the publisher can earn a profit of 25%? So this is what transportation is 15. Now let's go back to pie chart and see what is the transportation percentage. What is the transportation percentage? Transportation cost is 10%. It means we don't know the cost price of the book, but we know whatever the price is, 10% of it is 15. So it means 10% of the price is 15. So can I find price? So price is how much? 150, right? This is the price. Yes or no? Correct. 150 is the price. But this 150 is the cost price, right? And we want to make profit how much? The question is saying the publisher can earn a profit of 25. So 150 is his cost price, right? 150 is the cost price. So 25% on the top of it. So 150 selling price will be how much? 150 plus 25% of 150. 150 is already there, extra 25% we need to add. Yes, extra 25%. So 25% I told you 1 by 4. So 150 plus 1 by 4 of 150. So 1 by 4 of 150 is how much? 37. 150 plus 37.5. A is the correct answer, right? Yes. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. Correct answer is A. Got it? Very simple question. So what we have done, we first find transportation cost of one book, because they have given transportation cost of 5,500 books. So first we find one, then we know that out of the total transportation cost is 10%. So 10% of the price is 15. From there we will get price, and from once we get the cost price, we can easily find the selling price, right? Okay, next question. Options are 5%, 33, 1 by 3%, 20%, and 25%. Okay, let's see. What is the question saying? Royalty on the book is less than the printing cost by. Okay, printing cost is how much? Printing is 20%. And royalty is how much? 15%. Okay, so less than. We have to find less than the printing cost. It means difference of this two. What is the difference? Difference is 5 divided by printing, less than printing. So divide by printing value into 100. And that's it. Difference divide by the printing. Yes, answer option is option D, 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4, right? We know 1 by 4 is how much? 25%. Okay, those who want to take screenshot of the previous, take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot of question number 4. Because we have to do comparison. The question says royalty of the book is less than printing cost by, in percentage. This, all the options are in percentage. Huh? Therefore, we have to do the calculation in percentage. Okay, next question. Question number 6. And question number 7. 2 questions at the same time. So how will you do question number 6? The difference between the two expenditure are represented by 18 degree. Okay, so the best way is I will convert everything into degree. Convert everything into degree. Which one we have already converted into degree? There was one question now. Which one we have done in degree? Royalty. Royalty is 54 degree. That I know. Royalty is 54 degree. This is 54 degree. Similarly, convert binding also into degree, paper cost also in degree, transportation cost also in degree, and printing cost and promotion cost also in degree. Calculate everything in degree. So royalty is 54 degree. Then printing, how much degree? Then paper, what degree? Promotion, what degree? Then binding. Find degree of everything. All these classes will be live on YouTube. So at the end of the class, you can go back and find the videos on YouTube. Okay. Okay. Printing will be how much degree? You know how to convert in degree, right? This is the simple technique to convert it in degree. 360 by 100 into percentage. That will give you degree. 360 by 100. So for printing, what I will do? 360 by 100 into 20. Into 20. So this is 72 degree. For paper, 360 by 100 into 25. 90. Promotion, 360 by 100 into 10. 36. And binding, 360 by 100 into 20. That is 72. Correct? We got all the degrees in front of us. Yes or no? Everything. Royalty, printing, paper, promotion, and binding. Correct? Yes, everything we got now. Now let's go back to the question. The question is saying the difference between two should be 18. Now check. Difference between binding and promotion, paper cost and royalty difference. Check the difference. So what is the paper cost? Paper cost is yes, correct answer, Kritika. Yes, Hari Krishna, correct answer. Yes, everyone is giving me the correct answer. Basically, you just have to see the difference between two should be paper cost and printing cost. Okay, paper cost and printing cost. So what is our paper cost? Paper cost was 90. Printing cost was 72. Yes, 90 minus 72 is 18. 90 minus 72 is 18. Basically, we have to check in which the difference is giving me 18. Okay, question number 7. For an edition of 12,500 copies, the amount for an edition of 12,500 copies, the amount of royalty paid by the publisher is this. So can you find me royalty of one copy? Royalty of one copy. Find me royalty of one copy. For 12,500 copy, it is 2,81,250. So for one copy, yes, correct. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. So for 12,500 copy is this. So 281,250 divided by 12,500, it will give me 22.5. This is royalty for one copy. One copy, royalty for one copy. Okay, and what is the royalty percentage? Royalty in percentage? What is royalty in percentage? If I go back and check, royalty in percentage is 15%. Okay, so it means 15% of cost price is 22.5. Yes, because royalty is 15%. 15% of cost price is equals to 22.5. So can you find cost price? What will be the cost price? Yes, cost price is 150. If I do the calculation, I will get 150. Cost price is 150. Yes? Yes or no? Everyone, cost price is how much? 150. Yes, okay. Now, on the top of this, we want 5% profit on the top of this. So I told you, how do you calculate selling price? Selling price is 150 plus extra how much? 5%. So 5% of 150. 150 plus 5% of 150. So 150 plus 5% of 150. So if I do the calculation properly, I will get this 7.5. So SP is equals to 150 plus 7.5. 157.5. Option B is the correct answer, right? Yes. Okay, next question. This I'm not telling you. You tell me the answer. Simple question. Which two expenditure total together have central angle of 108? That's it. So we have done already. Anyway, we have already calculated the angles, right? How many degree? Calculate it. Total should be how much? 108. See which two is total together 108. Yes, correct. Correct answer is option A. Wait a minute. Answer A or yes, answer option A. Right? Binding cost and transportation cost. Binding cost is how much? See how much is the binding cost? Binding cost is 72 degree. 72. Binding is 72. And transportation. How much is the transportation? Transportation is 10%, na? So 3.6 into 36. Transportation is 36 degree. So we will add that also. 72 plus 36. Yes, 108. Option A. Very simple. Yes. Next question. Okay, now in this question, we don't know the number of books. Correct? Till now, they were giving us 1200 books or 5500 copies. In this one, you don't know that, but no problem. Okay. What is the cost of paper? What is cost of paper? Cost of paper? Cost of paper. Paper cost is 25%, correct? And transportation cost is 10%. Okay. So we know paper cost and transportation cost. Not necessarily Arva. There can be 4-5 question, or there can be 8-9 question, depending on their mood, like how they want to give it to you. Okay, so paper cost is 25% and transportation cost is 20%. So it means 25% is given to you. So 25% of T is equals to 56250. And then you need to find 10% of T. So first find T from here and then find 10% of it. So what is value of T? First calculate value of T. So 1 by 4 of T is equals to 56250. T is equals to 56250 into 4. So 56250 into 4. That is 2,25,000, right? 2,25,000. And 10% of 2,25,000 is option C. No, option B. Yes. 22,500. Yes, option B. B is the correct answer. Okay, so this was simple, not difficult at all. Okay, let's do next question. Okay, everyone please take the data, note down the data. The following pie chart showed the distribution of the student of graduate and postgraduate level in 7 different institutes in a town. So there is a town in this, there are 7 institutes. The distribution of students at graduate and postgraduate level in 7 institutes. So total number of graduation student graduate level is this much. P, Q, R, S, T, M, N. Okay. Now more data is given to you. This is for graduation. Okay. Now for post graduation also some data is given to you. Let me write down. This one noted, everyone. This is for graduation. And this is for post graduation.
Yeah.
That one, the first pie chart is for graduation, graduate level. Second one is for postgraduate level, PQRSTMN. This is also PQRSTMN. Okay, so see, there are 2 pie chart. Now look at this thing, that we can convert the same data into table also. It's not difficult to convert it into table. Let's convert it into table. So what I will do, there are 2 things, graduate and postgraduate, correct? And what P Q, what is given to us? PQRST. Okay, PQRST. What else is given to us? M and N. Okay, so let's say this is M and this is N. Okay, so graduate total is how much? 27,300. Okay, so this is given to me 27,300 total. And what is postgraduate total? 24,700. 24,700. Okay, now this is 12, 13, 17, 14. 12, 13, 17, 14. What is given to me? 12, 13, 14, 17, 14. No? Okay, 15, 17, 12. 15, 17, and 12. Okay, what else is given to me? Postgraduate. 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14, 21. 12, 13, 14, 21. Okay, and 17, 8, 15. 17, 8, and 15. See, this is given to you in percentage. Okay, now if I calculate these percent of this given number, then I can do it easily. So let's make table out of it. So first I will find 12% of this. 12% of 27,300. This will give me 3276. Similarly, find for all. Do the calculation, find for all. This is also 12%, so same thing. Three, 5, 4, 9, 4, 6, 4, 1, 3, 8, 2, 2, 4, 0, 9, 5, 4, 6, 4, 1. So instead of percentage, I actually found the number of students in each university, in each institute. So in P institute, in graduation, 3,276 students are there. Similarly, calculate this, but now this is the number. So 12% of 24,700. So see how it was easy for me to convert the data from pie chart to table. We can easily do pie to table, right? For PGN is equals to 15. Okay, let me check. Yeah, sorry, I have written it wrong. This is 15. Wait, this number also changed then. So the number will be now, it will be 3705. Okay, so that's how you change the data, the same data. It is not necessary for you to do it and do it. You're getting it? It is not necessary. You can keep it or do it later also, not a problem. 3705. Okay. So on the basis of this, we will solve question. Okay, question number. Question number. Do this 3 questions. Very easy questions. Do this 3 questions. I think all of you are giving me the correct answer. Answer for question number 1, option D. Answer for question number 2 is option D. Answer for question number 3 is option B. Got it, everyone? D, D, and B. Okay, those who have problem in calculating the ratio, let me help you. Ratio calculation. Huh? So, question number 2. So what? Please mute yourself. You don't have to unmute yourself. Keep yourself muted. Okay, yes, I was saying question number 2. So 21% of upon 14% of 21% of 24,700, and second one is 27,300. So 0000 cancel, percent cancel. So 21 into 247 upon 14 into 273. 7 3s are 7 2s are, and then you have to divide and calculate. There is no other way to do it. Okay, so when you calculate it, it will be 19 by 14. So you do the calculation. Yes. Question number 3. M and S starting at graduate level. Just have to do add M and S. So add this M and S. Once you add it, you will get the correct answer. Not difficult. Okay, next questions. Question number 4 and question number 5. Zishan, you have to check again. Check again. You will get 9 correct answer. Some calculation error you might have done. Question number 4, answer option D and C. D and C. D and C. Yes, D and C. Next, okay, next is note down the data. Everyone, please note down the data. Okay, answer option 12 and half, 22 and half, 25 and 45. 12 and half, 22 and half, 25 and 45%. Okay, question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2. And question number 3. This is the data. Remember, this is given to you in degree. This is degree written. Can you see 54 degree, 31 degree? So first you have to convert the degree into percentage, right? Convert the degree into percentage and then start solving this. Convert the degree into percentage, then start solving it. Question number 1, 12 and half, right? Because I told you how to convert percentage into degree. What is the tennis degree? Tennis degree is 45 degree. So we know 360 degree is 100%. So 1 degree is 100 by 360, and 45 degree is 100 by 360 into 45. 100 by 360 into 45. 12 and half. Correct answer option is A, 12 and half. Question number 2. How much more percent is spent on hockey than golf? Okay. Convert both into percentage. Convert both of them into percentage. Golf and hockey. Golf and hockey converted into percentage. Golf is how much? 36. So 100 by 360 into 36. This is golf. And second one, which one? Hockey. So 100 by 360 into 63. Convert. This is 10%. Second one. 17.5%. Okay, furnace the 10%, 17.5%. Hockey is, wait a minute. Hockey is 17.5, golf is 10. 10, 17.5. How much is more spent? So what is the difference? Difference 17.5 and 10. What is the difference? 7.5 upon, then golf. So upon is golf into 100. So 7.5 into 100 divided by 10. 75. Okay, question number 3. If the total amount spent on the sport during the year is how much? 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore, 80 lakhs. Then the amount spent on basketball exceed tennis by. So basketball minus tennis, how much is basketball minus tennis? Basketball is 50 degree, convert it into percentage and convert tennis also in percentage. Tennis we have already calculated in percentage, that is 12.5%, right? So tennis we know, basketball. So 50 into 100 by 360. %13.8%. Okay, 13.8%, 12.5%. or you can do directly by using a degree also. See, I'll show you how you can do directly. See this. Directly degree to percentage, degree to number. So 50 minus 45 upon 360. Earlier we were writing 100 because that was in percentage. Now since it's in degree, so we can do it like this. So directly you will get the answer. Got it, everyone? One last question on this. If the total amount spent on sports, if the total amount spent on sports during the year was 2 crores, the amount spent on cricket and hockey together. So what is cricket and hockey together? Only in degree, tell me. Only in degree. 81 plus 63 degree, right? 81 plus 63 degree. 144 degree, right? 144 by 360 into 2 crores. So just solve it, you will get the answer. Oh, we can solve questions in degree also. Instead of 100, we will take 360 in denominator. Yes. Crore means how much million? 1 lakh is equals to 10 million, right? So 100 million basically. One crore is equals to 10 million. This. Everyone, this is the calculation. 1 crore is equals to 10 million. Yes, this is the value of 1 crore. See how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7, 1 followed by 7 zeros. Got it, everyone? So this is how you will solve pie chart. Okay. Now what is left over? I told you we will do line chart also today, correct? We will do line chart. So pie chart is done. Now you can easily do pie chart. In pie chart, what are the important point? The important point is from degree to percentage, percentage to degree. Okay, angle, right. Okay. Let's do. Let me show you. Let's do questions on line graph. Read the question. Study the following line graph and answer the questions. Exports from 3 company over the year. So there are 3 company. You can see the company X is in blue color, company Z is in red color, and company Y is in green color. Right? Can you see it over here? Please note down the data. Everyone, please note down the data. Okay, so how I will read the data? So in 1993, company X is how much? 30. And company Z is in how much? 80. And company Y is 60. Right? That's how you will read. Blue is X, red is Z, and green is Y. Okay? So that's how you will read. Yes, making table is much easier. Yes, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's make table out of it. So what I will do, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, and 1999. What are the companies given to me? Company X, Z, and Y. Company X, Z, and Y. So making table is much more easier. Yes. So if I make the table, what will I get? This is 30, 80, 60, 60, 40, 90, 40, 60, 120, 70, 60, 90, 100, 80, 60, 50, 100, 80, 120, 140, 100. Now, if I see the same thing in the chart, that is also same. Correct? This is how much? 120, 140, 100, right? So 100, same thing. Same thing have written in terms of table, but you should be able to read in terms of line also. Line chart, reading line chart is not difficult. Everyone understood the data? 3 companies and their exports are given to you in crores. Okay, so this is 30 crore, 60 crore, 80 crore, like this. Okay, let's see questions now. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Okay, do these 3 questions. Okay, question number 1. You just have to add and check. So 1995 and 1996 are same, 220 crores, right? You just have to do the addition. Option 1 answer is option D. Question number 1 answer option is D. Question number 2. So first find average of company Y, average of company Y and average of company Z. Total of Y is how much? Total of Y. Tell me what is Y total. Y total is 560, right? Total is 560. And Z total is 600, right? 600 and 560. So what I will do? What is the question asking? Average annual export during the given period for company Y is approximately what percentage of average? Okay. So find average. So 560 by 7 and 600 by 7. Find average. 560 by 7 is 80 and 600 by 7. 600 by 7. Or you can directly write it like this. 560 by 7 upon 600 by 7 into 100. 7 cancelled out, 500 cancelled out, 56 upon 60 into 100. 56 upon 60 into 100. Yes, 93.33%. 93.33%. Question number 3. In which year was the difference between the export from company X and Y is minimum? Difference should be minimum. Okay, so the difference between X and Y should be minimum. X and Y is minimum. So how much is the difference in this two? 30. Difference in this two? 30. Difference in this two? 80. Difference in this two? 20. Difference in this two? 40. Difference between this two? 30. Difference is 20. Which one is the minimum? In 2020, in 96 it is minimum, and 99 it is minimum. 96 it is minimum. 99 is not given in the option. So answer is option C. Right? Yes, because 99 is not in the option. Got it, everyone? All 3 questions. Okay, next questions. Question number 4. And question number 5. 4 and 5.
Hello.
Please mute yourself. Okay, question number 4. What is the difference? Please mute yourself. Question number 4. What is the difference between the average export of 3 companies in 1993 and average export of 1998? Okay, so 1993, 30 plus 80 plus 60, and average we need to calculate. So this is 170 by 3. And for 1998, 50 plus 100 plus 80 divided by 3. So 230 by 3. You have to take the difference of this two. So 230 minus 170, 60 by 3. That is 20. Answer option is C. Correct? Question number 5. In how many given year were the export from company Z more than the average annual export of the given year? Average annual, what is the average? 600 by 7. That is 85.71. 85.71 is for company Z, right? Average. Now check which one is all more than 85.71. Is this more than 85.71? No, not 1 and 2. Only 2 companies are 2 years are more than 85.71. So answer is option A. No, wait a minute. Option 85, na? 85.7. 85.7. 1, 2. I can find only 2. But the correct answer option is Z. Were the more than the average given. This 90. Okay, let me check. 90 Z na, for company Z na. Yes, company Z I'm seeing. 60. Oh, wait a minute. This is Z. This is Z na. X or Y Z. Z. Let me check the Z. Z1 is which one? This Z. 60, 90, 120, 90, 60, 80, 100. This is Z. Sorry, my mistake. This is Y. So yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 such companies. So 4 is the answer. Option C is the answer, right? No, not separately. Not separately. Average. Averages, that's it. Okay, one last question we will do. One last question. Note down the data, everyone. Study the following line graph, which gives the number of students who joined and left the school in the beginning of the year 1996 to 2001. So in 1996, how many people joined? How many people joined? 3,500. And how many students left? 350 joined and 250 left, like this. Okay, so everyone please note down the data properly. First note down the data, then we will solve it. And initial strength is also given to you. Initially, how many students were there? 3,000 students. So initially 3,000 students there. Then in 1996, how many students left? 250 students left and 350 students joined. Like each year is given to you. Done noting the data? Okay, let's start doing that. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. Three question. Do this 3 question. Okay, so answer for question number 1. What is the answer? Answer is option D. Answer is option D. Did anyone get it? Question number 2. What is the answer? The number of students studying in school during 1999 was. Okay. So what do I have to do? Initial was how much? 3,000. Then how many joined? How many joined? 350 plus 350 minus 250. Then plus how much? Plus 300 minus 450 plus 450 minus 400 and then plus 500 and minus 350. You have to do this, then only you will get the answer. In 1999. How many joining, how many leaving, how many joining, how many leaving. Initial strength is given to you. That's it. Okay, question number 2. For which year the percentage rise and fall in the number of students who left the school compared to the previous year is maximum? So what I will do, I will calculate for these numbers 1997, 1997, 98, 99 and 2000. Okay, let's do that. So for 1997, 450 minus 250 upon 250 into 100. 1999, 8. 450 minus 400 upon 400 into 100. 1999, 400 minus 350 upon 350 into 100. For 2000, 450 minus 350 upon 350 into 100. So when you calculate it, you have to find maximum percentage. So this is coming out 80%, 11.11%, 12.5%, 28.57%. This is rise because increasing, this is fall decreasing, this is fall decreasing, and this is rise. What is the question asking? Which is the maximum? Which one is the maximum? This one is the maximum. They're asking you either rise or fall. So it doesn't matter, rise or fall. But the percentage has to be maximum. So which one is the maximum in this? 80%. So which answer? Option A. Got it? Yes. Question number 3. The strength of the school increased and decreased from 1997 to 1999 by approximately what percent? Okay. So 1997, calculate 1997. That is 3000 minus 250 plus 350 minus 450 plus 300. So 1997 total is how much? 2950. Similarly, calculate 1998. So 1997 last value and then minus 400 plus 450. So 1998 is how much? 3000. So now 3000 and 2950. So 3000 minus 2950 upon 2950 into 100. Do the calculation, you will get the answer. Answer is 1.7. Got it? Okay, question number 4. And question number 5. Nisha, all the questions were answered in the last doubt clearing session. You didn't ask in that session. Arva, please add Nisha to the group. Yes, Nisha. Please ask Arva to add you to the group, and all these questions, answer for your questions will be resolved in that group. Question number 4. 3000 upon 3200 into 100. In 1998, how many students? In 2000, how many students? That upon that into 100. Correct answer is option B. Not D, option B. Everyone is giving me the wrong answer. Not D, option B. Question number 4, correct answer is option B. And 5th is option D. Question number 6. And question number 7. Last 2 questions. Question number 6 answer is option D. Because when you do calculation, it's coming out 1300 and this is also coming out 1300. And question number 7, option C, because maximum largest number of students joining is 550. Option D and option C. Question number 7 is very easy. You just have to see the chart properly. Which one is the highest? If I see joining this, and this is the highest joining, no? Yes or no? This is the highest joining. So highest joining is in which year? 2001. Okay, I've given you the link to all these questions which we have done today. Here is the link with the solutions. You can go and check your solutions on that. Okay. All right, guys. See you in the next class. Everyone, please contact Arva. Arva is the one who is coordinating for the group. So please contact Arva. Okay, everyone. Okay. Take your time.
Alwa, send us the link, please.
Sorry.
I'm saying tell Alwa to send us the link that can connect us to the group.
Okay. Arva is there in the class today. Arva, are you there? I think she's not here. So coordinate with her in the next class, okay? All right, guys, see you in the next class.